This Temu folding camping fan light might look tempting, but I would not treat the main product photo as proof by itself. This keyword has a strong buyer signal, so the important part is filtering hype from real proof. For this outdoor item, I would check 3 things before buying. First, whether the listing shows the real size and material. Second, whether buyer photos match the promise. And third, whether low-star reviews repeat the same complaint. Quick question before the buyer photos. Comment your country and the exact. If those show up more than once, the low price stops being the main point. The teen buyer test is this. If the review photos prove the exact use case, it can still be interesting. If the listing only has polished images and vague claims, I would wait or compare it against an Amazon listing with clearer reviews. My verdict is mixed, but okay, if the product matches your exact use case. Based on the listing and review signals, not a hands-on test, I would only buy it if the product